Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to present our project, which is culture workshop for IMS 607, Advanced Web Design and Content Management. My name is Adilah binti MANSOR, and my team members is NURINA NASUHA binti RAMLI and NURSHAZWANI binti NAZRI. So for the next slides, I will pass to NURINA NASUHA.
Okay, my name is NURINA binti RAMLI, and today I will present about this workshop introduction. Okay, in this project, we built a website related to a culture workshop. This website will display some interesting activities that can enjoy by tourists in Malaysia for tourists to see the skill processed by locals. Among the skills acquired by the local are Malaysian cooking workshop, handicraft making workshop, traditional sewing workshop, and traditional dance workshop. This workshop is made so that tourists are not only attracted to the location in Malaysia, but also tourists can enjoy how life in Malaysia. Next, I will pass to NURSHAZWANI.
I will present about problem statement and objective. Okay, for the problem statement, first, tourists hard to find information about activities can do in Malaysia. Lack of workshop that have offer activity related to Malaysia heritage to tourists. Second, lack of promotion on Malaysia heritage. The responsible party only promote or focus on interesting place in Malaysia, but less promote the traditional heritage that exists in Malaysia. And lastly, lack of skill and knowledge about Malaysia heritage. The youngest generation is so easily influenced by Western culture that they ignore the existing of Malaysian traditional heritage. Next is objective. Firstly, to preserve Malaysia heritage for the youngest generation. Second, to generate local community income. And lastly, to promote interesting activity in Malaysia. Next, I will pass to Nur Adilah binti MANSOR.
Okay, as you can see now, this is our login page for our cultural workshop website. In this page, our customer and our user need to enter their email address and password. But before they enter their email and address password, they need to register first. Okay, if they don't have any email or password that have registered, they can simply click here, create an account. And our web page will direct them to our ad user. And they can create their account here. They put their name, address, telephone, email, and password. If they click the submit button, you can see here that it says new record created successfully. It means that our user have been updated in our database and also in our website. So here, let me show. I put the admin email and password. If the email and password have been registered, it will go to direct to our program list. Okay, here is our program list. As we can see, we have almost we have 50 data in here. Here the second page. Yeah, and the third and until 6th page. Okay. In this page, we have a booking and the delete button. The delete button, it can only be appeared on admin page only, not for user page. For user page, it will appear just a booking button. Okay, here, if our customer want to book this program, they can simply click the booking button and they can put the date that they want. To program ID, the program ID, we can see on the list of program. Yeah. Here the ID. And the customer ID we can see on the user list. Okay, if they want to book a program, they can book. They can choose the date and the program ID and the customer ID. I choose submit. Okay, here we can see that it said new record created successfully. If you want to see the new record, we can see on the booking list. Here on the booking list, we can see here the booking that have been made earlier. Okay, if our customer want to update the booking date or program, they can simply click update. Okay. User program ID. Before this, it was 18. We put 16. Okay, the date. We choose 17 March. Okay, we click update. Okay, it says new record update successfully. We back to booking list. We can see that here. The booking date have been changed and the program ID also have been changed, have been updated. And if our customer want to delete their booking, they can simply click the delete button here and it said record delete successfully. It means that in our website the data have already been deleted. Same goes to our database. Okay, here we have a user list. Okay, the delete button can only be appear on admin address. Here the user list and user registration, a booking list and a new booking. The delete button also appear on our user page and also the update button. Okay, new booking and here the program and program list. Okay. And after that, if our user have done booking the program that they want to attend, they can, if they want to log out, they can simply click the user button and click the log out. And here the website will be direct back to the login page. It means that our user have already successfully logged out from the website. So that's it for the website. So I will pass to Nurina Nasuha for the conclusion.
So for the conclusion, this website was created easier for tourists, whether in or outside the country, to enjoy learning about the culture and exist in leisure. With this website, it helps tourists to know the place that provide cultural workshops such as traditional food, swing workshop, learning traditional dance, making handicraft, entering nature, cooking class, and enjoy traditional games. The existing of this workshop will provide new experience to tourists both domestic and international. Thank you. That's all for our group. Thank you.